F90. AMS F90. Right then, good morning guys. Okay, another content video for you. As per usual, like I said, a lot of people ask us the question about deletes, box deletes. It's a trend, and a huge trend as in. Now, I don't really like doing box deletes on cars of this caliber, especially being a BMW and an M car. But then we have AMS that always turns up with these crazy theories, and then we'll have to sort of follow through. But he has listened to me this time around. So guys, what we're going to be doing with this car is we're going to be doing a center section. He already came in for a set of rear delete boxes. He made a difference to his sound. He liked it, he enjoys it. But being a young man with a very fast car, he needs it to be louder. And especially with having these front induction kits that you'll see in the video also, it sounds awesome, but he needs that edge. Okay, so should we get on the video and show you what we're going to be doing, yeah? Right, let's get the car up in the air. Right then, okay, let's look underneath. So originally he came in and had a pair of boxes taken out around this section right there. As you can see, still they're looking beautiful condition. Obviously you've got the chromas now with the heat has come off. But as you can tell, a proper job's been done by ourselves, where you can nice and neatly replace, and no knocks and no bangs, and you know, the tailpipes are not touching the diffuser. Anyway, so we're further on down now. And then we're going to be taking out these silencers, so-called, do you believe they're OPF filters? The OPF's on the front, aren't they? Yeah, so the OPF's on the front, but he wants to be taking these. Would we class these as secondary cats? Yeah, probably third cats. Yeah, probably is. So you got the cats, OPs. Do you know what we'll do? We'll have a look inside, we'll show you what's inside them. So what we'll be doing is we're going to be putting him a full section in. Reason being, so he could then kind of put this section kind of back in. That's what we're going to be aiming for. So we're not going to be just ruining this section here. We're going to kind of design it from, undo these clamps. They look like, wait, that's a big ball size. That's 3-inch, full in mandrel. Obviously, these will be then deleted, and then we're going to be moving on to some point of this section or around here in order for it to sort of mate together. Let's check it out in the video. It's our first ones, because generally what we would do is replace the whole section from there to there. Because AMS came in originally and just had the box deletes, we never concentrated on this section. So in this case, we're going to try to merge it into the section that we've already designed, so it looks neat, it looks clean. And for future reference, he can have a complete section kind of to put back in. So guys, keep on watching the video. You've heard the car before, and let's hear it with these bad boys out as well. So guys, keep on watching this video. Right guys, not to forget that when he originally came out, we also took out this balancer box that was here. It was very small. It was when they first started sort of kind of come here. We never used to really deal with them as much. We used to just concentrate on the decats instead of the rest of the exhaust system because they were so brand new. We never really done much development on them. But yeah, AMS was one of the first guys that had this delete done. So if you check out on the video on the top right hand side corner, we also already have a video for the car and the way it sounds like.
When insert clips of this video?
We've already got a video for the car? Okay. We don't. So we're going to put the clips into this video from
the first video.
But that's what I'm saying, we've got a video already, haven't we, no? Oh, you never put the video up?
There wasn't content.
This is his fault. He doesn't have the content. So we're going to put a clip of the first time it came in into this video. That's loud anyway, isn't it? Right, this is before with the box. Right, let's listen to this intake also. Can we listen to the intake? We don't hear the bang. He sounded great earlier on. It looks good though. It looks good. Check him out. Let's check it out. He came in a couple of weeks ago. He goes, "Mad, I'm having this Project Gamma." Okay, that's interesting. Do you know if that was me, I would have not shown up the blue, but I suppose it looked pretty cool when you were young, didn't it? Do you like that? You would have that, innit? I'm just getting too old for this. I'm too much of an OE guy. That looks really good. Really, really good. So guys, the intake system, either side from Project Gamma, I think these guys are from the States, if I'm right to say. And the induction comes all the way around to this point here. You can see the induction codes. Man, that's crazy. Not in a million years I would have done that. Not in a million years. Go on. That's just mad. Do you know why? This is a 100 grand car. I can see some inductions on the front. This is crazy. This kid's crazy, bro. Right, okay. Oh, why is it popping and banging so much this time? Okay. It's just, I suppose it's just the way he drives the car. Right then, guys. That's enough now. That's what it sounds like with those other ones out. And just to confirm, I'll find out today if they're cats or if they are resonators. Keep on watching. What are you saying, big man? My guy. Right, the moment of truth. What are you saying? Crank it up, bro.
Crank up, bro.
Can you turn that down, please? One sec.
Turn it up. I need to give it a set for it to get down from idle to the ribs. Otherwise you're not very nice.
Yeah, okay, but no, we want the first. Yeah, we're going to listen to it first. Right, these gloves. Right, hold on, 1 second. Can we get rid of these? Guys, Victor? Has he just told each other to fuck up or something?
Yeah, I just mocked it, yeah. Psychic garages.
Subject artist, 250.
Okay. Right, let's crank it, bro. Let's crank it. I need a new job. What are you saying, bro? Is that what you wanted? Huh? Is that what you wanted? That's secondary cats. By the way, they are secondary cats, guys. We're going to show you underneath the car, but they are secondary cats. So you got primaries, OPF, and then you got secondary. I don't know. Something new for me. I'm gonna get it up in the air quickly, let it run, and let's just talk about what we've done underneath. That's loud, bro. That's effing loud. Guys, let's just show you. So just to confirm, come have a look. They are secondary cats, so you can imagine how much resonation they create. But yeah, flipping out, that sounds loud, yeah? That sounds loud. Let's look underneath what we've done. Right, let's have a look at these fancy bits. Okay guys, going forward, here we are. So we've clamped it all back together again. I think you need some kind of brackets here. A lot of shaking in it. But yeah, anyway guys, 3-inch with your mandrels, oval transitions as you can see, all nicely, neatly done. Going forward, it's best to have a whole connecting piece. So your secondaries out, and your resonator box there in order for it to sound like that way. This car has still got the OPF, still has the primary cats, and still the rear resonators. So confirm that. Let's confirm it. Still has the original primaries, has the OPF filter still in there. What I would definitely recommend if you want this kind of sound is to have this section done. And even, you know what? X-Pipe. I believe X-Pipe will completely balance this platform beautifully. So our next design, we're going to aim for 3-inch from the bottom of your OPF filters all the way through mandrel. You have a collective oval section here, an X-Pipe included, and a complete section you'll be returning back to you. Amazing. Guys, give us your comments on this, right? Like, share and subscribe. Like I said to you guys, as always, we're going to give you loads of content this year. I'm actually really impressed with this, but it's a bit crazily loud. But then when it's on idle, if you listen to it, so you can crank it up in the morning, sounds pretty decent. But when you want to really make some noise, it's there in order for it to do it. Let's send it off now. Here you go.